So you want to do data science in Python? Here's the essential toolkit you need to know.
Think about any data science project. There's a whole process, and each step needs its own special tool.
First up, you need a place to work. Your digital workshop. Anaconda is your all-in-one installer. It just bundles everything you need to get started. Super simple.
And Jupyter Notebook? That's your interactive lab. You write code, and boom, see the results right away.
All right, now for the real work, wrangling all that raw, messy data. This is where it all begins.
Pandas is your absolute go-to for data that looks like a spreadsheet. It cleans, transforms, and analyzes it.
This quote pretty much sums up the job, right? And honestly, Pandas just makes this whole process way easier. Okay, data's clean. Now for the fun part, building models that can actually predict things.
And for that, you start with Scikit-Learn. It's kind of like the hello world of machine learning.
Scikit-Learn is amazing for structured data. But for really complex stuff like images or text, you gotta go deeper. And that's where PyTorch comes in. It's a powerhouse for building those advanced deep learning models. A model is great, but what if you can't explain its results? Well, that's where visualization comes in. Meet Matplotlib, the OG of Python plotting. It's the foundation for pretty much everything you'll create. And Seaborn, it builds right on top of Matplotlib to make your charts look amazing with way less code. So once you've got the basics down, what's next? Let's talk about some more advanced tools. You can level up with XGBoost for amazing performance, then use a tool like SHAP to understand why. And there you have it. That's the core toolkit to get you from messy data to some really useful insights. So, you've got the tools. The real question is, what problem are you going to solve with them?